Today, we're talking about finding the right tools, frequently asked questions, and editing in the cloud. I'm Priyanka, and welcome to This Week in Cloud, where we serve you the lowest latency news. Choosing the right tool for the job is essential for getting something done right, and cloud technologies are no different. The right tool depends on highly individualized criteria like language support, compatibility with existing tools, portability and openness, and cost. While you might not know every product mapping across providers, you probably have the foundational knowledge to understand which product categories are the most relevant to you. That's why we just published a handy product map showcasing similar offerings between Google Cloud, AWS, and Azure. Take a look and find out which tools work best for you. With all those tools, there may be some technologies you're not familiar with yet. Thankfully, our editorial team has put together this quick 101 guide on some frequently asked questions and definitions that can help you get started or brush up on some concepts. We've just made DocAI generally available to help you automate and validate documents to streamline your document workflows. Whether you're sitting on a ton of unstructured data or looking to reduce your manual workload, DocAI is the right tool to help. What better way to get started than this guide and video from developer advocate Anu to show you how it works? Cloud Shell Editor makes it easy for you to deploy code to the cloud directly from your web browser. In this video, developer advocate Ryan will show you some of the features of Cloud Shell Editor, including integrating Cloud Code, simplifying Kubernetes and Cloud Run development workflows. Check it out and stay tuned for more videos around how to use it. If you want to read more about these announcements or see a full list, check out the link. Any thoughts or ideas, leave us a comment or tweet us. We will see you in the cloud.